supporting our channel. Please consider subscribing as it helps us to grow and provide you with more great content. Today's video is from the channel FRICN Media. Please be sure to support their channel by liking and clicking that subscribe button. The link is in the description. Now, let's get into the video.
What's the purpose of that?
Do they want to? Here, get that VIN number.
Yeah, I got it.
Let me call the cops. Let them get the cops.
Hey, go ahead and call the cops. They're gonna laugh you right out of your fucking mind.
You want us to wait here? Hey, why don't you just back in right here next to us then?
No. Let the cops decide.
Oh, okay. I'll do that. That's cool.
Well, now he's taking a picture of my license plate.
They keep chasing us.
I just got attacked by a camera.
Nobody's threatening you, shit.
Did you listen to that? What he said? He calls you a lying piece of shit.
Did you listen to that, what he said?
Did you hear that? Did you hear what he said to me?
I'm kind of tempted to stay. Just so I can see the cops laugh at him.
Are you going to do something about that?
Flip him off. He got so twisted.
He did. He's so butthurt. We weren't even taking his picture.
I know. What's that? Absolutely. It's called the First Amendment, man. It's called the First Amendment.
I don't even know what's going on, but...
Then why are you asking if it's worth our time if you don't know what's going on?
Right.
Like an idiot. Crying on his phone. Oh man, that's hilarious.
You didn't like us cameraing
Yeah.
him.
He didn't like being camera-inged.
You got attacked by two cameras.
Oh, now he's gonna pull into a parking spot. Maybe.
Is that a parking spot right there?
Where?
Or right ahead of us by the tree?
I don't know.
He'll really hate it if we get right next to him.
Let's park right here.
Oh, yeah.
Does that have some sort of business that he works for?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, Color World. Color World house painting. He's waiting for the police, guys. Where's the Fillings police when you need them?
Right? That shit's hilarious, man. Oh.
Where's the camera police?
If he only knew we just came from the police department.
Right. He don't care. He's one of them guys you can't tell nothing anyway. Damn it.
Because he's the only important person in there. And if his feelings get hurt.
Oh, Color World, 248-965-4414. Did you get the plate number?
Yeah.
Good, we'll call them and complain about how stupid he's being.
Watch him be the owner. He kind of has that narcissistic vibe to him.
I'm gonna get out and get a better angle. I should have been recording from the start. I was just holding my phone up. That's the best part.
Right, the best part is when he thought we was recording him, we wasn't even recording him.
I gotta pop the trunk.
Yep, better do it. Hurry, here he comes.
Hello. Hi. What's going on?
We didn't call you.
I don't answer your question. He did.
Okay, we'll go talk to him.
No, I'm going to be talking
No,
to
you're
you.
not going to talk to me.
Yeah,
You ain't gonna talk. You ain't gonna talk to me at all. I ain't got shit to say to you. Not nothing. So go talk to the guy that called you. Isn't that procedure? When a complaining party calls, you go talk to the complaining party.
No, you don't get.
Sure it is. Sure it is. Sure it is. Go talk to him. He'll tell you what's going on, and then you can be like, "Oh, nothing illegal's going on. I can go back to doing my real job."
Close your hood.
No. Don't touch our vehicle.
You are.
Don't touch our vehicle.
Listen.
Don't touch our
Listen to me.
vehicle. You didn't
Listen
pull
to
us over.
Yes, I
No,
did.
you did not. We was parked here, idiot.
You're parked, dumbass.
We were parked here.
Okay.
You didn't pull us over. Don't try that
we're
shit.
gonna-
The hell's wrong with you?
We'll wait till we find out what's going on over there.
Go talk to the guy who called you.
I got a camera on you too.
That's good.
What's your name, badge?
That's fine. Officer Ranelli, 376.
What's yours? You can't see it. It's right there. You can't read
Is that what you tell the
I don't
judge,
have to
smart
answer your
ass?
question. Yeah, I don't have to answer your question.
Is that, yeah, you do. You're a
No,
public
I don't.
servant, bitch.
No, I don't.
You're a public servant, bitch.
No, I don't.
You work for the public. You're paid by tax dollars.
Okay.
Your policy and code of conduct for your agency requires you identify by name and badge number to a
Oh,
member
my
of the public
goodness.
when they ask.
Really?
Yeah.
My God, are you
Yeah, he
brilliant.
is an arrogant little piggo. Pigotistical. He's ignorant as shit, though. That's for sure. He says he pulled us over.
Really?
No,
You
we
gonna
was
do it
parked
again?
there.
Hey, look. Do you not see my lights?
I don't give a
on?
shit about your lights. I don't give a shit about your lights.
Pulling us over, you fucking
You can't pull us over when we're parked because we didn't commit a traffic violation, idiot.
idiot.
You're a dummy.
Hell, I was behind my car when it pulled in here.
Right, right,
You pull somebody over with
Right.
a standing outside the car.
right.
Yeah.
You're an idiot.
Yeah.
Yeah, what'd you pull us over for then?
Oh, I'm not answering.
Oh, okay. You don't have a
You
reason.
answer
You don't
mine.
have a. Well, when you pull somebody over, you have to tell them what you pulled them over for. So if you don't have
got a threat complaint.
if you don't
We
have
got
articulable
We got a
suspicion,
complaint that there's a threat
I don't care.
here. So yeah,
I don't care
do
what he
have-
said.
And I'm going to be
People don't lie.
identifying
People, no,
I
you
will
won't.
be-
Oh,
yes,
no, you will
yes,
not.
I
You ain't
will.
getting my ID
You
numb
watch
nuts.
this. Oh yes.
You ain't getting my
watch
ID numb nuts. I promise you.
Hey, I want to complain that that guy called a bunch of armed gunmen out here for no reason.
Yeah, for no reason. Oh, he called him and said we was
this.
making
Armed
threats.
gunmen?
Even though we got it all on video, nobody ever threatened anybody.
You guys have guns? Yes or no?
Do you?
It's none of your business.
Question, dude. You're the
I don't answer your questions either. You must think I'm fucking stupid.
You are fucking
I
stupid.
don't answer your questions
doing a
either.
very good. You're doing a good enough job proving that right now.
Yeah, he done proved how stupid he
Boy,
is.
you guys are brilliant.
Obviously smarter than you are.
Please tell me you are not a detective.
Oh, he is. He's a detective.
No, tell me.
He inspects dicks.
Detectives are supposed to be a little smarter than this.
He detects dicks.
Oh my God.
He said he's going to identify me. I bet he don't.
I'd like to know what crime you're going to identify us with.
I know, right?
Any of them.
Yep.
What crime? Hey, you have to have a
Wrong.
You can get away from the car. You can bike. You can get away.
Hey, keep your hands to yourself.
You don't get rolled by my police
Keep
car.
your hands to yourself.
No, you don't.
You don't get to put your
No, you
hands
don't.
on people. What the hell's wrong with you,
No, you
dude?
don't.
That badge done went to your damn little head, didn't it?
Take a walk. Go get away from
You
my
take a
car.
walk. I'll stand where
Get
I want
away
to
from my
stand.
car.
It's our
I'll
car,
stand.
not yours.
It ain't your car.
He says, get away from my
Get away.
car.
We pay for it.
Yeah,
He said, get
okay.
away from my
Get away.
car. Don't the taxpayers
Get
fund
away.
for the, don't the taxpayers pay for that
Nope,
car?
that one's mine.
That's your personal?
Yep.
But it's
Yep.
being used. It's being used in public service. So it's a public vehicle. Here's the VIN number. We'll find out. Yeah. Yeah, Sarge, you need to put this little bitch in check. Put this little bitch in check.
Hey, you ever hear of
Spit it out, it ain't yours. Spit it out, it ain't yours.
Don't
It's called freedom of speech, motherfucker. Now what?
Fuck you, this is freedom of speech.
Yeah, you're right, it is, but you don't have those freedoms when you're on duty, idiot. You have duties, not rights, dummy.
You're gonna get some time off for that one.
Yeah, you are. You're definitely getting some time off for that one, partner. Oh, yeah, watch the complaints come in. Watch the phone calls roll in. Don't touch
Don't
it.
even think about touching that.
You don't get to get our...
Your property. Hey, get your hands off of him.
Get the fuck off my
Get
car.
your hands
Don't
off.
touch our car.
John 5.
Don't touch the car, dumbass. Yeah, you'll get a complaint too. Wow, y'all are a bunch of bitch-ass tyrants up here, ain't you? Bunch of bitch-ass tyrants. Yeah, I'm coming for your job, cocksucker.
Come for it.
I am.
Come for it.
I'm coming for your job. I'm coming for your job.
You think you're the only one that's come for my fucking job? Come for it. You better hope that ain't broke. You can't come for your fucking sister. You don't touch me. Just back up. I am the best. Hey, get your dog. Get your hands on him. Fuck you too. You gotta tell. I got freedom of speech too. I got freedom of speech too.
10 feet. 10 feet.
Then you better hope my phone ain't broke.
10 feet.
$1,000 phone, bitch.
10 feet. Fucking phone. 10 feet. Stay 10 feet away from me.
$1,000 phone.
Fuck you. Fuck you, you asshole. Bring it.
Little dick sucker.
I'm afraid of you.
You're a little dick sucker.
Shit.
You ain't shit without that badge and gun, punk.
Arrogant motherfucker.
You ain't shit without that badge and gun. You ain't shit without it.
Dismissed, asshole.
You
Fuck
little-
you, you're dismissed.
you
I'm
little-
sitting here. I'm
little-
freedom of speech.
Little Willy Wonka munchkin motherfucker.
Here you go.
Oh, now it's an unlawful
what are you gonna do?
detainment, you fucking idiot.
I'm just letting you know you need to back up.
Yeah.
Come on.
Yeah.
Guys, give me
You
a
tell
second
him to
here.
back off.
I am. Give me a second here.
Good.
You're not
Tell
helping
him to
the
back off.
situation.
Now he's blocking the vehicle. That's unlawful
sorry.
detainment.
Let him talk to him.
Move. Can you guys move?
No, I don't have to move.
Put the dog back on a leash.
Yeah, put him on a leash.
Oh, now you're trying to assault me with a car? You piece
Yeah.
of shit?
Wow, y'all are a bunch of tyrants here, guys. I can see the complaints filing now. Y'all finna get about 3,000-4,000 phone calls or more. Believe that.
What's that other sergeant's name?
Yeah, I don't know. We need everybody's name and badge number, guys.
I already gave you mine.
You didn't? Did you?
Yes, I did.
I don't recall.
I already gave it to you.
Okay, what's this guy's name and badge number? What's your name and badge number?
Step out of the street, please, sir.
Don't tell me what to do, bitch.
Trunk lid, asshole. You bent my trunk.
Uh-oh.
I'm gonna sue you, you piece of shit.
Lawsuit. Complaints.
Fucking idiot.
Wow. Bye, bitch.
God damn.
Talk about some tyrants. We got us a good one.
Holy cow, these guys might be worse than River Root.
Oh my. Oh, definitely.
Dude, he bent my trunk lid.
They just were so addicted to knowing.
Because I was holding it up,
Yeah.
and he was pulling it down.
Yeah.
They are so addicted.
They're so
Who
addicted.
the fuck
But hey,
do you think he is?
but like I told him, you ain't getting my ID, bitch.
Yeah, nobody got no fucking ID. They fucking stole my fucking plate.
Yeah, they did. That shit was hilarious.
Now we gotta go to that police department. Right?
That's Shelby, isn't it?
No, that wasn't Shelby.
What was it? Bro, I gotta go back and look at the video, guys, and see what police department this is. I'm cold.
We're not taking your complaint today. You have to come back tomorrow to make your complaint. You can make as many complaints as you want tomorrow.
I think you need to just take yourself out of the situation because right now, what you have is a conflict of interest.
Okay, for right now,
Okay,
you're loitering.
so you need to go
You
away.
have 2 minutes. You have 2 minutes.
Go away.
It's fine.
Go away.
You have 2 minutes to leave the building. If you don't leave in 2 minutes, you will be arrested for
Then arrest him. Then arrest him. You have 2 minutes to leave. Then arrest him.
We just need names and badge numbers and we'll
decided
leave.
2 minutes. If you can't read, I don't know what to tell you. My name is
I
right
don't
there.
see your
That's all
badge
you need.
number.
You don't
So
need
that's
it.
Sergeant right there.
Right there.
That's
My
Sergeant
last
right there.
name. Right there. Film it.
Here's my cup.
You have 2
How
minutes.
about yours?
Oh, you have 2 minutes.
yours, sir? I'm not leaving.
Yeah, you're gonna leave.
No, I'm not.
No,
Like you got, like you
short. You need to
No,
go
we're not.
down.
Shut up.
You cannot lift. You cannot shut
I've
up.
given you mine already. It's Rinelli, 376.
You
Thank you.
have a conflict of interest.
You need to go.
You need to exit.
You need to go.
Can I have your badge number, please?
Cut me up. Let's
Can you
go.
read or are you ignorant?
You're
You
ignorant.
Uh,
see my badge there?
I didn't realize
Okay.
the badge number.
Okay, can you see that? Okay, that's all you need. Otherwise, you're ignorant. You need to back off and stop being ignorant. You need to back off. You guys need to leave now. Now. It's no more 2 minutes. You're gone.
Could I please get accessible building? Is
If
it
you do
not?
not leave now, you will be
Let's get the mayor.
arrested.
Let's get the mayor. See what he
If you
thinks.
do not leave now, you will be arrested.
Could I please get your badge
Now,
number?
leave.
I asked for all you guys to
Ask
see the
one.
badge.
That's it. You're done. You're done.
What the f-
You're done.
Really?
You're under arrest. Would you like to go next? I'll leave.
Come on, let's go.
Now, leave now. Yeah. This guy is even.
Can we get his property?
It's his property. You can take it with him.
If he says we can have it, can we
You
get
can take
it?
it with him and you can leave it your name and number for release for
And
whatever.
that means the parking lot too. Leave the premises.
Okay, can we get his property? I just explained that. Get his property. He leaves it for you on his property.
Listen, I'm not trying to be loud.
I'm letting you know right now. If he leaves it for you on his property, you can get it.
I think you can tell her I'm trying to be cool.
What the fuck?
They just fucked up.
Thank you for watching. You are the foundation to our channel. Please subscribe, like, and share.